Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. This court has carefully gone through the so-called injunction order. Stop. It is a petition preferred by the husband before the Franklin County Common Pleas Court against the wife. Stop. There is no such injunction order granted by any court situated in United States of America directing custody of child to be with the father. Stop. The so-called injunction order is also an ex parte order. Stop. The injunction order nowhere mentions anything about the child. Stop. The husband might have obtained injunction against wife in respect of domestic violence, that is domestic violence civil protection order bracket start CPO ex parte bracket close, but it is certainly not an order in respect of the custody of the child, and therefore the so-called civil protection order does not help the grandparents in any manner. Stop. The respondent has also stated that in light of the judgment delivered in the case of Tejaswini versus Shekhar Jagdish Prasad Tiwari, passed in Criminal Appeal number 838 of 2019 on 6th May 2019, the petition for habeas corpus is not at all maintainable. Stop. It has also been stated that in light of the order dated 30/4/2020 passed in civil writ petition number 11058 of 2020 titled as Tanuj versus Court in its own motion, the mother can experience visitation rights through electronic contact. Stop. A prayer has been made to recall the order. Stop. Heard learned counsel for the parties at length and perused the record. Stop. This court has also heard the respondent father-in-law as he wanted to make certain submissions. Stop. The first issue before this court is whether a habeas corpus petition is maintainable or not in respect of custody of a minor child who is with his grandparents at Gwalior. Stop. The apex court in the case of Captain Dushyant Somal versus Sushma Somal and another reported in 1981 within bracket 2 SCC 277 has dealt with the jurisdictional aspect under Article 226 of habeas corpus writ petition in respect of illegal custody of child. Stop. Paragraphs 3, 5 and 7 of the aforesaid judgment reads as under para. There can be no question that a writ of habeas corpus is not to be issued as a matter of course, particularly when the writ is sought against a parent for the custody of a child. Stop. Clear grounds must be made out. Stop. Nor is a person to be punished for contempt of court for disobeying an order of court except when the disobedience is established beyond reasonable doubt, the standard of proof being similar even if not the same as in a criminal proceeding. Stop. Over.